All right, this video we got some stuff from Arccaptain. First up, you can see what it is there. It's a round wire gauge. That's pretty cool. Next up, it's a tool bag. So let's get this stuff opened up and look at it a little closer, shall we? Okay, first up, can you see that? It's for checking out your wire size. Hopefully you can see that, the sizes on it. Different measurements. That's pretty cool. Now, I don't have a piece of wire. It's for wire to go in the holes. At first I thought it would go here for measuring the thickness of steel or whatever, but it's not, because obviously the small holes, the slot is not near as big as the hole, right? And technically neither is any of them. So it's for wire. I guess you can, hopefully that focused on that and you could see that. I hope it did. Anyway, and this stuff is from Arccaptain. They have been a great supporter and sponsor of my channel, so I did not pay for this stuff. They sent it to me. This is just to show you, kind of review it, overview, whatever you want to call it. When I get tools in this bag and need to use these, I will do another video and show you how to use them or what they're for and everything. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to show you how everything is, or what everything is. I can't talk today for some reason. Anyway, there's that. Also came in I guess it's a leather pouch. I don't know if that's real leather, fake leather, vinyl, what it is. Who knows? It says Arccaptain on it. You put both down in there, or put this down in there. Now, these came with little key rings on them. I don't know if they're meaning for you to put on your keychain. Did that focus? Did you see that? I wouldn't be doing that because these are kind of sharp. But anyway, let me look at them real quick and see if they're the same. They are the same. It's even got like a tape measure on it. Well, it's a good thing they're the same, because I can only show you this one now. You see how it has a tape measure on there at the top? This is for thicknesses of steel plate. If you want to know the thickness of this, it is that one right there. 14 gauge. That's pretty cool. Hey, you know what? With this, I could see what the thicknesses is of my toolboxes to see if they're made with good stuff or not, right? Anyway, it's just if you have some steel or plate. Hold on a minute. Okay, this little piece here is what I used. Actually, I used it to test the cutoff wheel. or wheels. And this is what I used to build my gate out of. This was supposed to be 1/8 inch. I thought that's what I told the guy I wanted. But guess what? It's not even close. Well, I know you can't see the sizes, but I got to be able to see them. That one is where the 1/8 inch is. You see? It's not even close. It's not 14. It's I don't know if I can get this around there where y'all can see it or not. It's 16 gauge. So there that is. That's why that Harbor Freight welding machine was having a hard time welding that thin crap. Anyway, this is just some scraps I got. Have no idea how thick it is. Let's see. Should be, I was going to say it should be a 1/4 inch, but it's not even close. Let's see, let's try to get an end that ain't cut. It is I'm assuming 3/16. Let me see if I can get that around there where y'all can see it. It's a little bit loose on the 3/16, but that's got to be what it is. And here's another piece. I don't know if it may even be the same size. Who knows? It all has cut edges. Now see there? 3/16, but it's tighter than that one was. Let me do a cut edge. See if that made a difference. No? That's kind of weird. That one's loose, so it's a little thinner than 3/16. So anyway, let me get this one back out. It would be, I'm left-handed, so this is kind of awkward doing it like this. Hopefully you can see that. Right there by my finger it says 3/16. That's how you use these. And you can 035, actually it goes all the way down to 024, 030, 035, 0.035. It also goes 24 gauge, 24, 22, 20, 18, 16, 14, 1/4, 10 gauge, 3/16, 1/4, and 5/16. And I'll see if I can't hold this up here. And you know what? Let's get the camera, maybe, down here where you can see them. How about that? Okay. Not sure. Hopefully, I was hoping it wouldn't have a glare on it. But I guess it still does, don't it? It's pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Thank you very much, Arccaptain. I really appreciate it. There you go. So here's the bag. This side of it. Let me see. Do I have this thing zoomed in or what? No? All right. This is pretty cool. You see the different size pouches here? A small one, a big one, and another big one. And of course, you can close it up, keep stuff from falling out. Got a pouch here on the end. Of course, the bag's just now opened out of the package, so it's trying to fold back up. Hopefully you can see down in there. See how it's got little places to put stuff, plus this big pouch all the way across the end. It's got one on both ends like that. Then you also have these big pouches on the outside, about the same size. Well, and these are smaller. These two are smaller, and then this is a big one, but it don't have a flap that covers them up. And basically the same thing as the other end. Places to put stuff so it holds it up, and then a big pouch to put bigger stuff, and then a big old huge open spot inside. If I can get this bag to stay up. Got a big old open spot here. It's got a cool divider. And then another open spot here, and it also has pouches here where you can put stuff. This thing will hold a lot of stuff. This bag is freaking awesome. It even came with a shoulder strap. You see that? And there's the front of it again. Pretty cool. I was trying to take a picture of it, but it didn't work. And of course, it's got a zipper. Zips up. I would zip it up and show you, but it'll fold back down with nothing in it. That's a freaking big bag, though. I like that. That's actually bigger than the bag that I have holding the tools that's in my truck. I might use it for that, or I don't know. We'll see, but that thing is freaking awesome. I like it. And there's where your shoulder strap hooks. One here. One here. One over here. Off this cross corner, one over here. Anyway. And obviously once I get stuff in the bag and use them, I'll show that then too. Anyway, might make that a thumbnail, right? Don't know when I'm going to be able to get around to getting tools put in this to use it, or the little metal gauges and rod gauges, wire gauges. But when I do, I'll have another video out on it just to show you. Let's go over there and look. All right, there is, you see that? That is the MiG 200. That is an awesome machine. And this is the TIG 200. It's just a DC machine. It's not the AC/DC. But it is an awesome machine too. Now it'll do TIG and stick, and the MiG 200, it'll do MiG, TIG, and stick. It's a lift arc TIG, where this is a high frequency TIG. That is freaking awesome. Thank you very much. And like I've said before, I still want to get the plasma cutter. What is it? The Cut 50. I'm still going to get that when funds are available for that, and when I have a need for it, a pressing need, then I'll get it. Yeah, I could get one from other companies. I think even Harbor Freight has them, but I'm going to get it from Arccaptain. If they don't send me one, see what I did there? I'm going to buy it. So that way all of my machines match. Yeah, I'm kind of weird, crazy like that. Anyway, just wanted to show you these items. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.